Hi Tamal, it was great working with you. Your 1.5 years has been really learning experience for all of us. You really took customer service to a great height and the practices which will certainly we will like to continue. Uh, your ability to connect with people and understand the quickly grasp the telecom lingos and connect with people is wonderful. Keep it up. We certainly will miss you, Tamal, and we will certainly miss your dance of Sakira, Waka Waka. Have a great time, great year, and great career ahead. Hi, Tamal. 1.5 years, and you're saying just bid farewell. I think we thought that you will stay for a long, and we'll have a lot of learning with you. Nevertheless, the time what you have spent with Vodafone India, I think you brought a lot of good practices. The practices which were actually not prevalent in the organization, and also the practices we will continue for years to come. A great contribution from you, Tamal, for customer service team. I think we always waited for your monthly VC and best practice sharing. That has been a USP of you, Tamal. Very well done. During this time, we observe very closely, Tamal, you picked up the telecom lingo so well and so fast. It was amazing to know you professionally and personally so well, and your ability to detail out things and pick up the minutest point has been your key strength. You have been a person, and you are a person who really fun to be with. You are a great team player, and we also always we have seen your participation all throughout any event whatsoever. We will certainly remember your Waka Waka dance, Sakira dance to be very precise, that where you rock the floor. Always. Just to say goodbye, I think this is not only a goodbye, I think we will continue, we will be in touch. Have a great time ahead, have a great success ahead. Keep in touch. Thanks. Hi Tamal. I can't believe that we are here this evening to say a farewell to you. This has been a very short stint of your work career in Vodafone India. It has been just I suppose about 15 months. We have been working together. It has been a great learning experience to work with you, Tamal. We have seen in all these 15 months how you have actually evolved the service organization in Vodafone. Amazing job. I think the best practices which you actually started working in and made us to work towards it has really yielding good results to all of us. You have quickly adopted to this telecom industry, which is all of us know that which is really tough to get in, and you have learned everything about telecom in such a short span of time. Your eye for detail, your detail working and getting into the root of a problem is amazing, and it's your strength. We have worked together very closely in these 15 months. In these 15 months, we also got to know that you are a person who has extremely good in various extracurricular activities. You are a professional tabla tawalchi, so to say, and you love to dance. Your Waka Waka dance of Sakira and the way you really rock the floor is wonderful. Thanks for being part of this organization. and leading the customer service for these 15 months. Have a great career ahead. Wish you good luck. Let's stay in touch. Hi Tamal. We can't believe that we are here to bid farewell to you. We have worked together for a short stint of time, which is about 15-16 months, and it has been a great learning experience to work with you, Tamal. The work which we have done during this time, I think you have set the stage for customer service to fly high. You have adopted and you actually brought a lot of best practices which will go a long way with this organization. You have been a fantastic individual, a great motivator, and a person who actually walked the talk. Your ability to detail out things and get to the root cause of the issue is amazing. It has been also wonderful to know you personally and professionally. And beyond work, I think you are a person who is extremely fun loving. You are a person who actually take and participate into various extracurricular activities. We got to know you are a good tabla master and good dancer too. How can we forget the Waka Waka dance by Shakira, where you always rock the floor? I think you are a star, Tamal. Thank you, Tamal. Have a good luck. Have a great time ahead. Let's stay in touch. Bye-bye. Thanks.